Hi, this is Andrew from epar. This video is about the task management feature in epar Connect. Topics we'll discuss are what are tasks and why would you use this feature? Task manager, creating and assigning tasks, notifications, completions of tasks, and some basic reporting. So, task management in epar Connect allows a system administrator to create and assign tasks to other users in the system. This could be for small one-off jobs, operational tasks, or tasks which need to be completed on a recurring basis. So much like messages in a video you may have seen before, you've got two elements to tasks. So you've got tasks on the dashboard, which is here. They show up here. And then in the administrator section, you've got task manager. Okay, but unlike the messages feature, which is only a one-way thing, tasks is two-way. So you create and assign a task, you send it out to an employee or another user in the system. They then complete the task and then complete a form which says, this is what I've done. And that comes back and says, okay, the task's now been completed. So it's a two-way, whereas opposed the message feature is more just one way, just pushing the messages out there. So we'll do a bit of an example. Okay, so we'll go into Task Manager and create a task. So as you see, we haven't got any in there yet. Now, we're logged in as Peter Jones, and if you remember from previous videos, he's the superintendent within this account. Okay, so he's going to send out a task to one of his course maintenance team. So he's going to go in, add a new task, and it might be to tidy up the workshop. Okay, tidy up the workshop. That's a good task. All right, now he needs this done tomorrow. Okay, we need to tidy up the workshop tomorrow. All right, now frequency, what we can do is set this as a recurring task if need be. So if every Friday you want somebody to clean up the workshop, you can set the task to happen on a recurring basis. So weekly, monthly, quarterly. So you've got a few options here. What this will do, the system will remember that this is a task that needs to occur on a weekly basis and will automatically send a notification out to the employee that you select, and then they'll have to do that task over and over again once a week. So it'll automatically track and do it. So we'll just, for example, we'll just do once off, and we're going to assign this to Steve. Okay, so task name, tidy out the workshop, description, clean up around the mechanical workshop area and fuel store, for example. Okay, let's do that. We're going to assign this task to Steve Johnson. Okay, save. Now, what's going to happen? So it says here, okay, the date and time that it was sent. That's now been allocated and assigned to Steve Johnson. So he's going to get a notification and he'll be able to review it here on his dashboard. He's also going to get an email notification there. So just to show you how that bit works, I will send a message to myself in this system. Okay, so we go in, add a new task. All right, so task name, test task. Okay, so this is just a test one. Date required by tomorrow, frequency just a one-off, and I'm going to send it to myself, Peter Jones. Okay, so just write this is just a test task. Okay, so great, save. Now, I'm going to go to my dashboard and see that I've got a task outstanding. Okay, so I can click on that, and a little bit different to messages, rather than just reviewing the message in this right pane here, I get to go in and complete the message, complete the task. Okay, so here is a description of it. This is just a test task. Okay. Now, to complete the task, I need to put in what I did. Okay, so completed task as requested. Okay, date complete. I've actually done it today, which is fantastic. And then now I can submit that. All right, and that's done. So you'll see that the counter, it goes away off the counter here. So it turns a 1 into a 0, okay, and that's done. So what you'll also see is here that we received a notification as well, an email notification. You were requested to complete the test task here. So that just to prompt you to log into the system and complete your task there. Some other things about task management in the system. We can go into Task Manager as an admin user and run some basic reports. Okay, so here these are essentially just some filters which allow us to look at various aspects of data within the system and just get a general idea of how things are going. So here we can run, what tasks are overdue or what are active tasks or inactive tasks, those sorts of things. And then we can also view completed tasks here. Okay, so what this does is gives us a list of all the tasks that have been completed within the system. And just a general overview here. So task name, required by, and it tells you the work that was complete. Okay, so tasks, let's summarize what we've been over. Tasks, again, a very basic little feature in Connect, which allows you to send out tasks to users and then require them to complete some work, and then give you feedback about what was completed within the task. We've looked at the Task Manager app section of the app, creating and assigning tasks, notifications, how to complete a task, and we've looked at some of the basic reporting elements. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.